We all know that the knowledge you gain in class is important in order for you to graduate and find the job of your dreams. But what about some of the things you do outside of the classroom at NorQuest, like volunteering, joining student council, or participating in work-integrated learning? When we graduate, we have gained skills and knowledge from all of our experiences at NorQuest, both in and outside of the classroom. Our knowledge and skills are our superpowers. It's what makes us stand out from the rest. So why not show them off? Show everyone what you have achieved and what you are capable of. Soar into new possibilities with NorQuest's new Student Opportunity and Achievement Record, or SOAR, as we like to cleverly call it. Connected through NorQuest's Career Quest Hub, SOAR is an official college record that documents the work-integrated learning and co-curricular activities you participated in during your time at NorQuest. Browse through our SOAR activity list online to see which activities are eligible to be put on your record. Once you have participated, simply click on the activity in the list and request for it to be added to your record. A NorQuest or SANQC staff member will validate your request. It's that simple. Use SOAR as a tool to talk about the skills, knowledge, and experience that you have gained at NorQuest College, such as when you're applying for jobs or further education. So what are you waiting for? Soar into the future. We know you've done great things. It's time the rest of the world does too. So come on, NorQuesters assemble. Show us your superpowers.